You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this king of the United Kingdom. We'll be looking at how to say more names from history too. Stay tuned, loads to learn on this channel. King Cnut, it can also be pronounced as Cnut. Two pronunciations for this are correct: King Cnut the Great or King Cnut. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.